In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable email notifications on your Shopee account. So whether you're new to Shopee or just looking to get the most out of your shopping experience, this guide will walk you through the process of adjusting your notification settings with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Shopee dashboard. Now, the dashboard is essentially your control center for everything Shopee related. It might seem overwhelming at first glance with all the different options and features, but no worries. Together, we'll break it down step by step. Once you're on the Shopee dashboard, it's time to focus your attention on the top right-hand corner of the screen. There, you'll see your username displayed. Go ahead and click on your username. This action will open up a drop-down menu for you. From the drop-down menu, you'll need to click on My Account. This section is essential because it contains all your personal details and settings that you can customize to suit your preferences. Once you click on My Account, you'll be directed to a page filled with various options on the left-hand side. It's designed to help you manage all aspects of your Shopee account with ease. Next, I want you to look at these options on the left side and find where it says Notification Settings. Clicking on this option will open up a new page dedicated entirely to managing how and when you receive notifications regarding your account activities, orders, and promotions. Now the focus is on finding the section labeled Email Notifications. This is the place where we can adjust how you receive updates via email. Take a moment to locate it on the page. Keep in mind that having your email notifications enabled is a great way to stay informed about all the latest updates from Shopee, making sure you don't miss out on any important information or special promotions. Once you've found email notifications, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. If the switch is currently gray, your email notifications are turned off. To enable them, simply click on the switch. Once enabled, the switch will turn green. This visual change signifies that your email notifications are now active and ready to keep you informed about your Shopee activities. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully enabled email notifications on your Shopee account. Remember, these settings are entirely customizable, so feel free to revisit and adjust them according to your preferences whenever you need to. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made navigating your Shopee account just that little bit easier. Happy shopping, and see you in the next video.